Parang adobo ba? Ay, cheese ba yun? Kalimutan kasi. So, parang isang flavor lang yan. Barbecue
na
yan.
isang supot na dalawa lahat yun dito yan.
Natingnan ko na lang. Meron kay Maricel pag makapunta. Dati kasi yung kinakain ni Nico namin noon, bata pa siya sa Pilar pa. Yung kwan, yung maliliit noon, yung tagpiso, hindi pa siya piso noon.
Ano yung Fritos ring?
Oh, pitos ring. May maliliit niya na maliit pa, mas maliit pa doon yung pinakita ko sa inyo. Dati ngayon ganoon na ang lagayan.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray. As you fade away. As you
ko yung susi ko, yung dating susi yung sa likod ko, likod ng bahay. Likod na pinto.
Wala akong
kusina?
susi ng likod
Sa
ng
kusina?
pinto. Sa kusina, wala. Wala ako.
Sure ka?
Oo, harap lang at saka yung kabilang bahay. At saka yung kwarto mo sa taas. Yun lang.
Dati ko, na-green. Dati, Japanese, no?
Hindi, doon ang Japanese eh. Kami lang.